How to write 8.375 as a mixed number in simplest form. Mixed number means we have whole number part and p by q part, that is fractional part. This is the decimal number, so 8 is a whole number part. Before decimal we get whole number part, after decimal we get fractional part, but in decimal form. Now we need to convert this fractional part in decimal form to p by q form. So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just write the number skipping this decimal, and for denominator, for every digit after decimal you have to consider 10. We have 3 digits after decimal, write 310. Now we need to reduce this fraction. So how to do that? If you want to reduce this fraction in one step, then you need to find out the greatest common divisor of this and this, and then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common divisor. But if you want to simplify this fraction in multiple steps, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, so 5 is a common factor. This is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5. This is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 0. I will get 2 here, and if I divide this by 5, I will get what? I will get 75. 5 goes into 37, 7 times 7 times 5, 35, subtract 2, 25, 5 goes into 25 times. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, I will get 2 here, and I will get 15. Again, this is divisible by 5, and this is divisible by 5, so I will get 2, I will get 3. Now write 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. Now combine. So this is the mixed number for this decimal number.